Hey, welcome to another Topic Tuesday. This is Dr. Mike McCall from Source Health Center. Today I want to talk about the gallbladder. Gallbladder is a little sac that hangs underneath your liver, and what happens is you think of your liver as a big filter. It filters everything out. Every time that you release a hormone, every time you release a neurotransmitter, everything you eat, consume, fats, it all has to go through the liver, which is your big filter. And when the liver does its job, it leaves a byproduct or sludge, which we know as bile. Well, the gallbladder will take that and hold it, and the next time you eat a fatty meal, it goes through the stomach, and as soon as it hits the beginning of your small intestine, the gallbladder will contract, and then the bile hits it. It's like a detergent. It just breaks up the fat into tiny little particles that your body can absorb. It's a really important organ. Now, many times I've had patients with gallbladder issues or history of gallbladder issues or had their gallbladder removed. Within my practice, when I have a patient with kind of recurrent pain between the shoulder blades, specifically on the right side, any kind of burning pain, and you get it adjusted, it doesn't quite go away, maybe it's been a while, I always look into the gallbladder. I usually find that can help. Sometimes it will show up, a gallbladder problem may show up in the sense of you don't find it with ultrasound or that type of thing. Now, from a medical perspective, you got to be very concerned. Are you developing gallbladder stones, which are when the bile becomes a little more solidified, which usually means there might be too much cholesterol or the body's having an imbalance in some way. Women tend to get gallbladder problems more frequently because every month they have their cycle, and your sex hormones, your estrogen and testosterone, estrogen, progesterone are all cholesterol-based hormones. Your body uses that cholesterol to make those hormones. So every month your liver and your gallbladder has to clean that out, and it can be a little bit of a stress compared to men. The world is much easier for men sometimes. That's all I can say. With that, so here's a really good book called Gallbladder Matters by Catherine Sarchenko, if you can see it. I think it's a really good short book to kind of understand a little bit more about how your gallbladder works. I'll see this particular problem not on the medical end, but maybe it's just not functioning at its highest thing. A lot of times with PMS, or like I was saying, pain between your shoulder blades, pain in the neck on the right side, especially if there's a burning quality. Gallbladder is a really, really important organ to keep. There's a lot of gallbladder cleanses out there. I highly recommend not doing those until you talk to a physician who's willing to guide you through that, because sometimes you may be able to kick out a stone, but it might block the duct, and then you're in trouble. So gallbladder, I see it in my practice, I see it out there, and this book's good. Learn about your body and make better informed decisions. We'll see you next Tuesday.